चलो बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Our today's topic is effects of COVID-19 pandemic in daily life. Effects of COVID-19 pandemic in daily life. COVID-19 ब्रैकेट में लिखिए कोरोना वायरस. CORONAVIRUS. Coronavirus has affected AFFECTED has affected day-to-day life and is slowing SLOWING and is slowing down 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 the global economy GLOBAL global ECONOMY global economy full stop. This pandemic pandemic has affected AFFECTED thousands THOUSANDS of people. This pandemic has affected thousands of people, who are either sick, EITHER, either sick, SICK, or are being, और फिर है ARE, are being, or are being killed, KILLED, due to the spread of this disease, DISEASE full stop. The most common symptoms, SYMPTOMS. The most common symptoms of this viral VIRUL infection, INFECTION infection, or ARE, fever, FEVER, cold, COLD, cough, fever, cold, cough, bone pain, BONE, PAIN, bone pain, and breathing problems, BREATHING, breathing problems, full stop. Problems, and ultimately UNTIMATELY, leading LEADING to pneumonia, Pneumonia. Full stop. This, comma, being, being, this being a new viral disease. This being a new viral disease affecting 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 humans, humans, affecting humans for the first time, comma, vaccines, vaccines, are not yet available. Vaccines are not yet available. available, available, full stop. Thus, comma, all emphasis, emphas, is on taking extensive, extensive precautions, precautions, extensive precautions, such as extensive hygiene, hygiene, protocol, protocol, for example, e.g., regularly, regularly, regularly washing of hands, comma, avoidance of face to face, avoidance, avoidance of face to face interaction, face to face interaction, 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 etc., comma, social distancing, social, social distancing, distancing, and wearing of masks, wearing, wearing of masks, masks, and so on, masks and so on, full stop. नेक्स्ट पैरा में लिखिए COVID-19 has rapidly, rapidly, affected, affected, COVID-19 has rapidly affected our day-to-day life, comma, business, business, businesses, life, businesses, comma, disrupted, disrupted, the world WORLD trade TRADE and moments MOVEMENTS movements full stop identification 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 of the disease at an early stage EARLY at an early stage is vital to VITAL is vital to control CONTROL the spread of the virus virus because it very rapidly because it very rapidly spreads from person to person full stop most of the countries have slowed down their SLOWED slowed down their their manufacturing MANUFACTURING of the products full stop the various industries the various VARIOS various industries 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 and sectors are sectors are affected by the cause of this disease comma these include the pharmaceuticals 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 industry 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 comma solar SOLAR industry comma solar power sector comma tourism 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 comma information 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 and electronics 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 industry full stop this virus T कैपिटल करके लिखना है this virus creates CREATES significant, significant, knock, knock, knock on, knock dash on, knock dash on, effects, 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 on the daily life, on the daily life of citizens, on the daily life of citizens, 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 comma, as well as about the, as well as about the global economy, global, global economy, economy, full stop. पैरा में लिखिए, this COVID-19 has affected, affected, the sources of, sources of supply, supply, and affects the, and affects, affects the global economy, full stop. Global economy. There are restrictions, there are restrictions, restrictions of traveling, traveling, traveling from one country to another country, full stop. लास्ट पैरा में लिखिए, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, online classes, comma, the adoption rate is ADOPTION, adoption rate is around AROUND 50 to 60%, 50 to 60%, whereas WHEREAS in the classroom the adoption was around 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 80 to 90%, 80 to 90%, full stop. Online classes affect the eyes of the students, due to long hours in front of the, due to long hours, HOURS hours, in front of the blue screen, BLUE, below, SCREEN, below screen, full stop. Small children like the play school and the, like the primary play school and the primary grades, PRIMARY, primary grades must not have this type of class because they have low concentration. They have low, LOW, low concentration, 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 power, POWER. And these small kids do not have the ability, ABILITY, to sit for a longer time, in front of the video screen, full stop. Lots of poor students do not have access, ACCESS, do not have access to laptops, LAPTOPS, computers and mobile phones. All these students are naive, NAIVE, all these students are naive, thick. There should not be this disparate, DISPARATE, education, disparate education. Thanks.